Hey guys, it's Kevin here. Today I'm outside. I'm here to do a different product review. I was looking for something to help me wash my car, help wash the windows, and scoured Amazon, and there's a ton of these types of products out there. I settled with it's called EVILTO, E-V-I-L-T-O. This is basically what it looks like. It's easy to use, perfect setup. So you essentially have this little plastic container, it screws in the bottom, you put the soap in here, it has a trigger that clicks and holds. That's kind of a key compared to some of the other products, so you don't have to constantly hold it. Trigger it again, releases. On the top here, there's a turn nozzle that lets you control the water, and then 3 soap levels. And then the front is basically just like a standard garden hose. So you've got the shower, the jet, the center, the flat, the stream, the rinse, and the cone, and then the mist. I use a shower. I think that kind of gives it the best kind of application. What you also get when you buy this is you get this little device here. What this is, if you have a quick release hose system, they give you the adapter that you screw into the bottom right here. So it just screws in and allows you to quickly change out. I don't have that system, so I don't use this. It doesn't come in anything glamorous. It just came in this plastic bag. Then of course it comes with instructions, but you really don't need those. And then one last thing they give you is this kind of chamois thing to help either if you're washing your car, your windows, you know, you can kind of scrub. But that's kind of it. I'll include a link below, kind of some information, and check it out, see if it's right for you. But let's go wash some windows and see how it works in action. Okay, so as you can see, it's attached to the hose here. The soap's in here. Kind of give you an idea, you just press the trigger, and here we go. This is the water mode. So it's just straight water right now, cleaning the window. And then turn it off here, and we'll move it over to the medium soap level. And as you see, you can start seeing the suds here. We'll put it on high, real easy to clean. Get it down right now. Now I'm not going to use the chamois, but that would be the ultimate thing here to then kind of scrub the windows. And then you click it off, and you kind of see the water circulates through there. And then you turn it back on to full rinse. And then here we go. Let the soap get out of the nozzle, and that's it. I mean, like I said, this is awesome for washing your windows, washing your car. I mean, they advertise that you can wash your pet and all that kind of stuff with it. I mean, I don't see why not, but like I said, I use it for my windows and then also wash my car, which is great. So that's kind of it. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, I do kind of review all kinds of things. Feel free to comment below. I do respond. Share the video, hit that like button, help me out. And until the next one, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats! You made it to the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Be sure to help me out and hit the subscribe button or comment below on this video. Until the next one, be sure to check out any of the other videos that I have floating around on my channel.